All right, we're back. We're continuing the day. Yeah, I'm definitely down to grab a beer. What up, YouTube? Yellow bike's back out.
I'm surprised it started.
Yeah, me too. Been sitting all winter. Feels light between my feet. Feels good.
Ready?
Your helmet buckled?
Ready?
Yep. Haven't had a passenger in a while either. This feels easy to ride. Interesting, Nate. What the hell, bro? Where are we parking? Go ahead and get off. Yo, this is nuts, guys. What did we roll up on?
It's honestly kind of lit, bro. It's from like Tokyo Drift.
Yeah.
So we're out here 2 minutes down the road. We got the 8R out. We got the 636 out. And we are, well, partying, I guess. Let's go. Cheers, y'all.
Before or after the rage?
Cheers. Mid-rage.
I'm scared as fuck. Mid-rage? What, you want to go back in there?
Guys, that does it for another video. Me and Ninja Nate went to a cool car meet, ended up to a dubstep fest, turned into a heavy metal concert. It's a good day. Brought both bikes out. Weather was great. Girlfriend got to go on with me. What else can you ask for?